Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Motorola Moto G86 Power into lost database on IMEI.info page. Okay, so first, in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, in here is a quick tutorial how you can do it, and also on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can find that video. Now, click on Check IMEI. Now scroll down. We have the basic checks right in here. And now click on Lost Device Add. Now, if you have the possibility, you can type the second IMEI number and also the serial number. Now we need to type the city where the incident happened. Below also we need to type the mail. Because it will be necessary later. Now the phone number and with the country code. Now the price in US dollars if someone will find it. Now the country where it happened. Now we need to describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. I will figure out something. I mean, of course, everything now that I'm showing you, I mean, the description will be a fake situation, but if it happens to you really, remember that your description should be as much precise as possible. So give me a second. Okay, so that's like a quick description that I have now typed. Now type your contact name and the incident date. First type the year, then the month, and then the day. Now agree to both of those conditions and click on Report Lost/Stolen IMEI. Okay, now we need to open up our mail because we need to verify. Click on Verify your request. And now our report has been verified. In here we can also click to see the preview of the report in the database. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.